Avoid these 7 items on extension cords to prevent hazards in a new home. It's common to encounter fewer power outlets than needed, especially in inconvenient places. While it may be tempting to use an extension cord, this can be risky if used with high-powered appliances. New York-based electrician Paul Martinez explains that most people don't understand the limitations of extension cords, which typically have 14 or 12-gauge wiring. A 14-gauge cord provides about 1,800 watts or 15 amps, while some appliances require more. In the U.S., Martinez recommends plugging anything over 1,500 watts directly into the wall to avoid the risk of fires caused by overloaded extension cords. Here are 7 items commonly found in homes that should never be used with extension cords. 1. Air fryers. Air fryers are high-powered appliances designed to heat food quickly. Large models can draw up to 2,000 watts, making them too powerful for most extension cords, which can overheat and pose a fire hazard. Martinez advises placing your air fryer near a wall outlet and avoiding use with an extension cord. 2. Microwaves. Microwaves, especially those with higher wattage, should be plugged directly into the wall. Using them with an extension cord can overheat the cord and potentially cause a fire. Ensure your microwave has a dedicated outlet if possible. 3. Refrigerators. Though refrigerators don't consume as much power as some other appliances, they run constantly, which can put strain on an extension cord over time. This setup might not cause immediate fire risks, but it could damage the refrigerator or affect its efficiency. 4. Toasters and mini ovens. Even small toasters and mini ovens use significant power, usually between 1,200 and 1,400 watts. Connecting these to an extension cord increases the risk of the cord overheating, especially in prolonged use. To prevent hazards, plug them directly into a wall outlet. 5. Extension cords. It may seem convenient to daisy chain extension cords, but this is a serious safety issue. Connecting one extension cord to another can overload the circuit, leading to overheating and, potentially, melting of the cords, increasing the chance of electrical fires. 6. Electric heaters. Electric heaters are notorious for being fire hazards when used improperly. They draw high wattage, often beyond what a standard extension cord can safely handle. Martinez emphasizes that plugging an electric heater into an extension cord can lead to melted plugs and fires, as the cord isn't built to handle such power demands. 7. Air conditioners. Air conditioners, particularly portable models, consume a lot of energy and should always be connected directly to a wall outlet. Portable units plugged into extension cords are at risk of overheating the cord, which can lead to fires or damage the unit. Conclusion: using an extension cord might seem convenient, but it's essential to be aware of the power limits and the specific items that should always be plugged directly into a wall outlet. Martinez advises only using extension cords for electronics with lower wattage, like lamps or computers, and steering clear of high-powered devices to avoid safety risks.